Hi, welcome to another training session of Bosch Home & Garden. My name is Norbert and with me in the studio is Dino, our product expert.
Also, very warm welcome from my side.
Today we are talking about the EasyInflate 18V-500, a volume pump. We all know our high pressure pump, but for which application is this tool perfect?
Yes, this is a very nice pump and it's very compact. You can use it for very high volume materials, for example, for air beds or pools. And it's very easy to use because of the 3 different nozzles. You can use it for every inflating or deflating work, and also with the long hose of 50 centimeters.
Yeah, we all know our current universal pump, 18 volt, the perfect tool for inflating, for example, football and tires, for example, for your bike or your car. And we now know our EasyInflate. Could you maybe demonstrate it, how it works?
Yes, of course. The EasyInflate is also very compact and very lightweight, so that you can take it very easily to a lake or into your garden. And together with the hose of 50 centimeters, you can very easily use it for inflate, for example, gas beds or also pools. And you have here 3 different nozzles for that it fits to all different parts. Now you put it in, switch it on. Because of the high air volume, up to 530 liters per minute, this works very fast. The airbed like this, you inflate in less than 1 minute.
Okay, now we have seen the inflating procedure. What about the other direction, to deflate it, to, for example, get it stored in a perfect way?
Yes, works also very easy. For that only, you have to put the hose here in the front. Also put it in the bed again, switch it on. And can deflate also very fast. You know how long normally it takes if you want to deflate a gas bed by hand. Also can use it also for these vacuum bags for storage enclosures. And you have every time in the view your battery capacity.
Okay, then think about the other way around. We all know this tool is not usable or not the perfect tool for this kind of application, for inflating high volume. But think about the other way, as I said, to inflate this kind of things like a football or even a tire. Is this the right tool? Not really, right?
No, also not, because every time you have to decide whether you need an air volume pump or air pressure pump. That means if you have things with a high air volume like gas beds or like vacuum bags, for example, then you need a tool with a very high air volume. That means then you need an EasyInflate because this has an air volume up to 530 liters per minute. If you need a high pressure for tires or for footballs, then you need a pressure pump, because our pressure pump pumps up to 10.3 bars, but has only, let's say, air volume of 30 liters per minute. So you can imagine how long it would take if you want to inflate a gas bed.
Mm-hmm. Thanks, Dino. Dino, could you maybe explain how long could this tool be used with a, for example, 2.0 amp hour battery?
Yeah, the runtime is very long. So also with the 2.0 ampere hour battery, you can work up to 14 minutes. That means you can inflate up to 50 airbads. And that's normally pretty enough.
Okay. This tool is also part of the battery alliance and the Power for All alliance. Which battery is the right battery for this tool, and which battery should be recommended?
Yeah, of course, you can use all the batteries of the Power for All alliance. I would prefer one of the smaller ones because then the tool is very lightweight. Otherwise, if 40 minutes are not enough, of course, you can use one of the bigger batteries.
Thanks, Dino. As always, let's summarize a bit. It's a perfect tool for inflating higher volume. Things with higher volume, it's not a perfect tool for things like to inflate it with pressure, for example, for footballs or tires for your bike. It's very easy to use, and as well, it's part of the Power for All Alliance and part of the battery system. If you now would like to know something more about how to order spare parts, or about my Bosch, or if you would like to know something more about this tool or even other tools, then visit us on our webpage, bosch-diy.com. If you are interested in some more videos with our Dino, then also here visit us on our YouTube channel, and if you like it, leave a thumbs up.
Yes, and I wish you a lot of fun with our tools, and see you next time.
Bye bye.
Outtakes.
Pressure things like inflating the balls. Okay, the balls wieder. Geil. Aber jetzt, weißt du, jetzt war's mir for the pressure things like inflating the ball. Alter. Okay, warte, lauf weiter.
Ball wäre auch gegangen.
The ball! Ja, okay. Abbruch an der Stelle.